Oh no, not the server!
Ladies. Alright, so let's talk about Uranus.
There's a reason beef stroganoff is not my main dish. Ass trolls tried to sign me up for fucking Scientology bullshit. It's a cult. That's so much grease.
Welcome back to another exciting installment of The Greasy Middle Finger. We are so behind in Nova's TikToks, it's not even funny. We haven't seen anything on here post Popeyes firing, and it's all because I'm a lazy, dumb bitch. No, it's actually because Girly Plop has been pumping out copious amounts of hot garbage content that we just can't keep up with it. And because I actually put quality over quantity, I feel like I have to live under a rock, avoiding Nova's content getting spoiled so that I can have a genuine reaction for you guys. So I'm dying to know what he's been up to. Y'all let me know here and there. So let's just start where we left off in chronological novistery. The most recent TikTok we watched was this one here on November 3rd. That's how behind we are, guys. Jeez. We've got the doo-doo stain towel. And of course, it's got a doo-doo stain. You use that towel for all the showers, which was like, I don't know, 6 of them. I don't know about you, but I gotta change my towel out maybe every 2 to 3 showers. I don't know what's normal, but that just feels right to me. So yeah, let's just see what horrors awaits us. Okay, so I feel like we've all seen this by now. Even I've seen this. I lost my fucking job again, and it wasn't even my fault. FML. So I feel like this has been talked to death, so we'll just talk about it for a second. He censored job and not fucking, so that's hilarious. And it so was your fault. You hadn't had such infamous internet digital footprint and a horrendous employment track record, you would have definitely been able to keep that job for much longer or get more jobs. You know what I mean? So let's just see what the comments have to say. So this person was Nova for Halloween. They even got a Sailor Moon thing going on there. Mr. Greasy also was thinking about being Nova for Halloween, and I was telling him, how are you going to do that? You look nothing like him. And he said, yeah, good point. What are you going to wear? But instead, he landed on being Burger King foot lettuce. We are both kings that night. I know you can't see his face, but isn't he dreamy? Anyway. Oh, and of course the song is Maybe I Should Blank Myself, so we've got more of that. I'm so tired of that. Let's just move on. I'm done with all this bullshit. You know what I mean? But I bet, Nova has a cycle. We'll see. I bet you 100 Nova chords that within 5 videos that we'll watch, he's gonna be, hey, 18 plus fans, so I'm so excited to drink this 900 billion calorie chocolate milk. It's gonna be so gas. You know what I mean? So let's just see.
Hey y'all, I just want to let you know I'll be hopping in the shower soon. I'm just too depressed to film myself in there right now, so yeah, just know, this is your shower video for the day. Just cut to me when I get out. Alright, y'all. I'm out of—
Okay, so what was the point of that pre-game interview? I bet he's still gonna say, I'm so depressed here, so what's the point, guys? What's the point?
the shower. And I just wanted to let you know that it really does improve your mental health. But it doesn't really take away from the fact that today has been one of the shittiest days of my life, so yeah, today's been rough, but that shower helped me out a little bit. So guys, for the icebreaker in the comments today, let me know what was the best job you've ever had. For me, it was working at a American restaurant. They served like ribs, mac and cheese, potatoes, like a lot of different American foods. So that was my favorite job, and I wish I could go back and work there, but I don't think I can. So back to the—
Why can't he? What could he have done? You gotta suck so hard to not be welcome back at a restaurant. You know what I mean? He showed up to work too many times with a full diaper. Probably.
drawing board for me. I hate my life. I haven't been able to keep a job for a long time. Anyways, that's my shower for today. Novine Universe signing off.
Do you even think he took a shower? I don't know. Also, what was the deal with that icebreaker? He never does an icebreaker. And then in the previous post, he censored the word job. And then here he's like, every other word was job in this one. So I don't really know. I think this was the day he got fired. Caption says, took another shower on one of the shittiest days of my life. Yeah. Our petite queen. I don't think I've seen this one. Waiter, 1 cup of attention. I don't believe Noah got in the shower. He just threw a towel on his head and took his shirt off. You know, that's possible, but I think he looked wet, but that could have been from the grease or the sweat or the grease sweat. I wonder how long he's gonna keep this up. I gave it a week and I think it's been longer than a week, but not much, so we'll keep watching. A lot of these comments are positive. That's exactly what Nova wants. He's sympathy baiting and a lot of people are falling for it here in the comments and you hate to see it. Let's keep a going. Running out of ideas on what to post besides self-improvement videos. What should I post? Yeah, this is a good question, really. Not really, but what do you guys think he should post? What do you guys want him to do? Because, you know, it doesn't matter what he does. It's gonna be cringe, and we're gonna watch it. He could do anything. You know, bro could do a neck reveal, and it would go crazy. Now that's an idea. No caption. Yeah, get a job. I think a nice video would be him actually do like a vlog style of walking around and applying for jobs or applying for jobs online, just watching that. Post get ready with me's, please. I think that'd be great. What time do you think Noah wakes up? I think that's a good question. He doesn't have a real job. He doesn't have to get up at any time. Maybe noon. Most people are saying self-improvement, cleaning and exercising, and they're falling for the sympathy baiting. They want Noah to do better. And I mean, yes, I do too. If it means he stops talking to kids. So many times you hear on the predator catching YouTube shows, the excuse that the predator has is that they were depressed and they hadn't been in the right state of mind, which I think is poppycock. I've been down before and you know, the thought of soliciting anybody for attention, much less a child, just never came to my mind. But then again, I have a wonderful, loving husband. It's not the same for me really, but all those guys are married on those shows, and so it wasn't good enough for them. Their significant others weren't better than a child, so I don't know. We're just built different over here, I guess. Your video that you're finally leaving the internet, that's something we'd all love to see, I think. House tour would go off. Another video.
Alrighty, y'all, another shower is in the record books. Here's some proof that I was actually in there. Alright, just stepped in the shower. And, yeah. Ah, it's so cold!
What befuddles me is that Nova doesn't know that the shower needs time to get warm. He just gets right in. So it's just proof that the Heffalump has just never taken a shower before, just in his life, which is wild because his skin is pretty clear.
Almost done, and okay, all done.
He always sounds like it hurts him.
But yeah, guys, if you haven't watched my story, just know that I am limiting my shower videos to 18 plus from now on due to the nature of these videos. And
every single one of your videos should be 18 plus because the nature of your full diaper.
I feel like only adult eyes need to see them, and I'm trying to...
No eyes should ever gaze upon the horror, the abhorrent beast that is Nova Online, but here we are.
I'm trying to stray towards being a MDNI page, so that's why I'm switching my shower videos to 18 plus.
Nova just told on himself again. He said, I'm going to try to stray towards being an MDNI page. MDNI means minors do not interact. This makes it sound like he has been interacting with many kids this whole time through his TikToks. And it also makes it sound like he's going to do very little, very slowly to change that. He always chooses specific words that reveal the truth. I think of it like a Freudian slip where his hidden actions and thoughts that he doesn't want the audience to know about are accidentally exposed because of the specific and unassuming diction he chooses. This happens all the time with him, and it usually involves interacting with children, as we see here it is. Also, I think Nova's filter is defective at best when he speaks, allowing these instances to fly completely under the radar on his end. And like, the predator allegations aside, Nova a few weeks ago had a series of streams on TikTok where he exclusively talked about his depression and thoughts of unaliving himself, which I believe, and I could be wrong about this, Nova did not put an age restriction on these lives, and neither did TikTok, just for the constant threats on his life and the references to hating himself when he sympathy baits. I really don't think those are the qualities of a good role model for kids or really anyone. So in my opinion, I don't think his TikToks and channel should be directly available to children, but hey, what do I know?
But for real, that shower felt really nice.
Why is there doo-doo stains on this towel? It's a new towel. Oh, gross, look! Yo. Do we think that's a product of whatever was on his body, or do you think the towel was like that before he hopped in the shower? Bedbug feces?
Probably the reason I was so depressed for the last 48 hours was because I didn't really take a proper shower last night, but hey. I feel a lot better now, and if you're feeling depressed, maybe taking a shower is the solution. Anyways, stay tuned for tomorrow's shower video. Hey, Nova Kadri, signing off.
You know, I don't think you're really that clean if you're drying yourself off with this towel. That's just my opinion. Caption says, another shower in the record books. Okay, that's a weird thing to say. Another shower in the record books being a genuine sentence. The bugs on the towel, I don't see bugs. Maybe bug poop, but not bugs. Help, why is the towel stained with grease? Yeah, here we are right here. And that was like a new towel, geez. I don't know if that's grease. We all hope that it is grease, but I don't think it is grease. Yeah. Yeah, your towel has mold on it. That could have been it. Girl, no one needs to see this. Good job, Nova. We're so proud of you. Why are we forgetting what he did? And then this comment has less likes than that one by like a lot. Crazy work, man. Here I'm helping the cause. 2 more showers till Christmas. Yeah, I think we'll be lucky. And yeah, he did change his towel, but I feel like the towel that he'd been using for like 6 or 7 showers in a row would have been better than this towel. At least that's what I would have chose. Adult eyes? Hold on. Let's keep trucking. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I guess one of these is supposed to be Toph. I think it's the yellow one. Does that mean that one's him? That's what he wants, Toph on top of him. But we all know Toph gets on top of anybody. It's over. There ain't no coming back from that. You'd be flattened like Bugs Bunny when he gets hit with a anvil, you know what I mean?
I'll save you. Where are you? Speak to me. Speak to me.
Oh no, not the server!
But it's nice to see that Nova is still thinking about Toph, like we know he is. Caption says, this looks nothing like Big Toph, and I don't know why he's saying big, because bitch, you big too.
Yeah, I look like a big cherry.
Big? Big? Are you calling me big?
No, talk about me.
Oh, you're thinking of Tophia right now, huh? You guys should get together already. And a lot of people are saying I should get together with Nova already. And guys, come on, I'm married. I can't. We all know I want to. I can't. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Damn. When's the Nova versus Tophia Chu sumo match, dude? I'd pay to see that. That'd be something. Wee, no, don't let it touch me. Don't let it touch me. Shomato. Maybe one more, all right. One more, guys. Hey all, I'm sorry for slacking on the shower videos. My mental health has been the worst it's been in a long time, and I'm struggling to find motivation. So I think, let's see when the last time you took a shower. This is November 7th, 6th, just the next day. I don't know. I don't know if that means the shower arc is over, but let's see when he first started the showers. Let's see. This one's the first shower. October 30th, November 7th, so that was about a week. So did we call it? Maybe. We just gotta keep watching and finding out. So that didn't count as the last video. But you know what, guys? Actually, I don't know if I want to do another. I've seen enough of Nova in the shower. Which was like, I think 1 or 2 for today. Also, I have a birthday party to go to for my bestie today. And they watch these videos. Well, they don't know Nova, so they don't really watch the videos, but they said they skipped to the end to see the pet pictures. So happy birthday, homie. I'm sorry, guys, that we're so far behind. If we have to, we can live stream together and get caught up faster because it's the editing that takes me forever to complete. If I did no editing, I could pump out a few of these a day for y'all, but it would be boring as hell. If you wanted a taste of what that's like, watch my first few videos. There is almost no editing and it feels so slow. But it's like, as they say, it's not the destination, it's the journey to get there, or something, or whatever. I don't know. But what I do know is that I'm thankful for you all for making the journey with me. So let me know if you guys want to do some lives together to get caught up, or if you would rather do stay behind and don't mind it because you like the regular videos. You'd prefer the regular videos versus live streaming. So let's get on with the pet portion of the video. It's where we put a spotlight on our viewers' pets. We do this as a reminder that Nova is a bad pet parent, and it's also a good reminder for ourselves to be good pet parents. So show some love to your pets, if you have any, after you're done watching the video. Our first pet of the day is Diggy. I wonder how they got that name. Both pictures crack me up. What a joy our pets give to our lives. Our second pet is Poogie. Poogie belongs to Arwen Starsong Music here on YouTube. I'd definitely check them out because they have a lot of really good music. Look how ridiculously adorable those eyes and that dress is. I wonder if the name Poogie is referring to Poogies from the Monster Hunter series. But either way, she is just the cutest. And what is she even looking at anyway? That's all I have for y'all today. Send me your pets at thegreasymiddlefinger@protonmail.com. And until the next one, keep it real. I'm out.